Hi guys, back here with another Rothys video. This one is going to be short and sweet, but it's going to be probably the most useful one for you guys. So today we are washing our Rothys. I'm going to just jump right in. Let's not mess around and let's show you how to wash them. Alright, here we go. Alright, so what we have here are 3 out of, I don't even want to tell you how many pairs that I have. But there are 3 that I'm going to be washing today, and I've got them on top of my my washing machine, which is a Maytag. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take out the insoles from each one. You can just take them out. They're going to go in the wash with everything else. These aren't as dirty as sometimes I let them get, but you can see on this pair and that pair that there's some dirt and grime that has built up. Next thing I'm gonna do is toss them in the wash. That's hard to say. So now we have the shoes and the insoles all in. What I like to do is fill it with a few towels or odds and ends. I think that just makes it so they don't bang around. So I'm going to do that and then we will get started. So we have towels and then the shoes are down there along with a laundry detergent pod. So then I'm going to close this bad boy up, turn her on. Ooh. This is not a big load. The shoes are not that dirty. So we're just going to do it on normal. And then my washer starts. So now we have all of them out to dry. Normally what I'll do is, since I don't have enough room for the insoles on the dryer, I'll put those over on the washer. You could also put them on a drying rack, but they honestly will dry just fine up here. So lay them all out. If you take a look, this is the right side of it. You'll notice that all of the dirt is pretty much gone. And then if you had any stains on your shoes, I used to have a stain over here on the toe, this red one, that is no longer there. And that is it, y'all. So easy. Hope you enjoy.